Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where the text cursor changes from black to white on Windows 11. This can happen because of accessibility settings, display settings, or cursor customization options. So let's get started. First, click the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click Accessibility from the left sidebar. Next, scroll down and select Text Cursor. Here, you'll find several text cursor options. If the cursor has changed color unexpectedly, look for the Text Cursor Indicator option. If it's turned on, try turning it off and check whether the cursor returns to its normal appearance. You can also review the Text Cursor Thickness setting and adjust it if necessary. If the issue still persists, go back to the main accessibility page. Click Mouse Pointer and Touch. Check whether any custom mouse pointer colors or sizes are enabled. Try selecting the default mouse pointer style. Next, return to the main settings page and click Personalization. Select Colors. Make sure the color settings are configured correctly, especially if you're using high contrast mode. If high contrast is enabled, turn it off and see if that fixes the issue. You can also restart any affected applications to see if the cursor color changes back to normal. If the problem occurs only in a specific application, check that application's settings for any custom themes or appearance options. Finally, restart your computer to apply all changes. After your PC restarts, test the text cursor again in apps such as Notepad, Microsoft Word, or your web browser. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the issue where the text cursor changes from black to white on Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 tutorials and troubleshooting tips. See you in the next one.